Hello guys, welcome to Apurva's review system. Today we are going to see six feeds. Six feeds is basically a lead generation software, which is generate lead from YouTube. Is a social at social platform. So the name of six feeds is basically a app or software you can say. So it is a already cloud based software. So if you want to make money, then you need three things. Okay, so three things is basically a digital product, a high converting sales page, and some traffic. So in this six fees software you get everything in one box. Okay, so what I love about this six fees is it is a 3-in-1 business in a box, and customers are getting everything that Mosvari, who is a vendor of this product, Mosvari personally used to make six-figure per month, a complete on-demand automatic traffic generating cloud-based software. So it is also a ready-made high converting sales page, and you get user rights. That means customers can use the software and get traffic anywhere they want. Agency rights, you can also get agency rights. So customers can put their buy button on the done for use page and sells the software as service to their clients and make money as an agency. This software you will make money different ways. You can make money by using the software and drive traffic from YouTube completely automatically, and you can also make money as an agency by selling the software as a service to your clients. So this is also a good thought by the vendor. Also, vendor is Mosbury. He is a famous vendor. He makes some amazing softwares before, and this is also a very effective software for lead generation. And so I'll show you the bonuses, and before that I'll go want to show you that the launch date of this six piece is Saturday 15th of August. Tomorrow is basically tomorrow. And if you buy from this six piece from my link, then you get these amazing bonuses. Okay, so I'll show you the bonuses first. First of all you get Amazon auto search plugin, and this is the automatic insertion into WooCommerce and WordPress search engine. So and this is basically help you to get lead from WooCommerce platforms. Okay, so next is automatic legal page creator. You can create some page for your WordPress site, like privacy policy, terms and condition, disclaimer. And okay, so this is the software. Okay, and next is 100 products with resale rights. You will get hundreds of products with resale. That means you can sell it with your with your bonuses if you want to give your customer. So if you can give them and make some leads. Okay, so next is content create strategy. So marketing content marketing strategy. Here is some ebook. Here is a ebook you can get with this software. So next is auto reach profit plugin, and this is the plugin which make every Facebook page post into your automatic list building machine. And that is a good software that will help you to make every post or every page as a list building machine. So next bonus is, with this ebook you can make some your keywords that will help you to ranking in different platform like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, anywhere. Okay, so next is how and where to sell digital products. This is the basically a ebook that will narrate everything about how and where to sell digital products. Okay, next, 8th bonus is how to make 6-figure membership site. That will show by Most Buddy himself. He shows how to make a 6-figure membership site. So next is 9 best ways to become a beta tester and get paid to play games and apps. That will also show by Mosvari himself. That will also help you for your lead generation. And so next is a case study about how to make a product, or how to sell a product, or how to marketing that product. Okay, so that is a case study about digital marketing. So that will also help you, I hope. Next is 1 million views in 10 minutes of work. So 1 million shares a unique via work 10 minutes or less and generate 1000 to 3000 visitors per month, 100% from Google and YouTube. That is also a case study about how to generate traffic from Google and YouTube. Okay, next is product review templates. You will get hundreds of product review templates that you can use your product promoting. Okay, so that is the 12 bonuses you get with if you buy from my link that is in description. So I hope that will help you. So I show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard of 6Fees app. Okay, there is bunch of options are there. Definitely I didn't go to all these options, but I'll show you some important options. Okay, first is social account. You can add your YouTube account here. Okay, I'll show you what is the options. Here is the import channel option. Here you can add your YouTube channel also. Okay, so next is template manager. If you have an YouTube channel, then there is some comments are there, and you have to reply everyone at a time. So you can select auto reply templates, and you can select auto comment templates. Okay, if you want to make some traffic, then here is the auto comment templates there. So next is keyword finder, and here you can find some effective keywords which will help you to rank in search engine like YouTube and Google. Okay, so that is the main work about 6Fees, and I'll show you the sales page here. Here is the sales page of 6Fees. Okay, beginner. It is a beginner friendly. No need to experience, no need technical knowledge. 3-in-1 business is in box. Complete to ready to make money. 99 no questions asked. Money back guarantee. 100% safe investment. Finally make money. No more frustrations. Here is a button from you will get 6Fees. Okay, so I'll show you the bonus page first. That is the bonus page, which link I'll put in my description of this video. So after clicking on these buttons, you will land it in this page. Okay, from here you can click here, and you will get 6Fees. Okay, after getting it, you will go to this, automatically go to this page. I'll show you. Here is a WordPress page, Warrior Plus. So you will click access affiliate bonuses. Okay, after clicking this page, after clicking this button, you will get all these bonuses here. Okay, so this is the very effective bonuses you will get. And total amount of these bonuses is $1,600. So this is very helpful for you, I hope. And this is the funnel of 6 fees. Front end price is $17, OTO 1 is $39, OTO 2 is $97. But if you get only front end, then you also pick those bonuses. Okay, so no need to buy this bonus or this or OTO or this OTO. Okay, if you buy front end, then you also get bonuses. So this is the win-win situation for you, I hope. Okay, next, my bonus is closed Tuesday 18th of August midnight. Okay, so before that, I hope you want to buy it from my link and get these bonuses that will help you with 6 fees. So I hope you understand the video. I hope you understand the topic of this video. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe it, hit the like button, and comment below if you want something, or if you are not understand, then I will help you to get this. Okay, thank you.